Deeper, within the floodplains, the forest parts. The Bornean pygmy elephant. Smaller than its mainland relatives, with rounded features and an unexpectedly gentle presence. Found again only here in northern Borneo. Elephants are engineers of the forest. They open pathways through dense vegetation, disperse seeds across great distances, and shape the landscape simply by moving through it. They are highly intelligent and deeply social. Families are led by experienced matriarchs who carry knowledge of seasonal routes and safe crossings. But even giants must navigate a changing world.